So we have the Hands of History, which is the centrepiece of the exhibition, and there's a series of hand casts made from bronze of the politicians, the party political leaders who negotiated the agreement, the Good Friday Agreement. And then there's a second series of hands, which are people who were involved in promoting and the successful implementation of the agreement. They're all mounted up on stone, Mourne granite, which is kind of Northern Ireland's most famous stone. But it's also the same stone that the steps into Stormont are made from. They're made from Mourne granite as well. But the bronze material is timeless and will last forever, hopefully. So it was an appropriate material to make this piece in between the Mourne granite and the bronze, both very solid and very long-lasting materials. Hopefully a bit of a metaphor for the agreement and for the process that comes along behind it. So on this new one here we have Tony Blair, David Williams, a Foreign Affairs Minister in the Republic of Ireland at the time of the agreement. We have Bertie Ahern, Bernie McGuinness, who is Martin McGuinness's widow, and Chris Patton.